Alright, the mid-evening is here as we're going downhill into the second weekend of the summer solstice. It is June 26th, 2025. Seeing he's here. Good evening to you all. 2128 coming to you from Ladysmith, Wisconsin along the Canadian Nationals Superior Subunit Milepost 353.17 with a video lined up for you. Northbound manifest on the way after getting a new crew on as they were tied down nearby milepost 351.97. Now they've got the new crew on and have restarted as signal indications are up. And we have a new C6M rebuild that's leading on there solo so far. And I have a feeling there is a DPU on there. I don't know which one that is going to be. However, we're going to find out soon enough as it continues to slowly accelerate from where they stood. And find out what train this really is, ID-wise. Go on from here as we will lean back and get him. Here we go. He is going through light rain that is responsible from a low pressure area that moved through our region during the early to mid-afternoon today. So it's moving off to the northeast. And we had severe weather that also happened in southwest Wisconsin as well, including in southeast Minnesota. Gate drop now confirmed. Let's check out our northbound now. Accelerating nicely here. I didn't expect that Tier 4 Grand to have a new horn set, but I'm surprised. Must be a Nathan K3LA. Wow. Definitely wasn't expecting that. That locomotive was previously on the M342 a few days back. Now here it is on northbound manifest now. Not sure if there's only a 3008 that's on this or another locomotive. We're going to find out soon enough. Coming now. DC 75 IAC. The new 8334. How about that? Must have had a new assignment. I'm surprised it was not on this train though. IX 22169. End of train device is going. How about that? My next and sixth Progress Rail EMD SD75 IACC of the 8334. That is deciding to be DPU behind the 3904 on the M343, 91 of the 26th. That started from Kirkyard in Gary, Indiana, and is heading up to Symington Yard in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. How about that? And that is going to do it for this video at Ladysmith, Wisconsin for tonight. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Have a great night. I'll see you next time, and I hope I will see you along the main line. See you and he's out.